Hi friends. Today, I'll show you how to replace the drill key and the chuck. Watch carefully, I'm sure you can do it yourself. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, there are plenty more great videos coming. Look, this drill is from Russia, and its key isn't working properly. That's why we need to replace it. Watch carefully, you can do it too. There's a circuit board inside this key, and we are going to replace it to save your time. I've sped things up a bit. Watch carefully. We've opened the outer casing of the drill using a screwdriver. Watch carefully. Do you remember I said there's a circuit board inside the key? Yes, remember. The circuit board inside. The key controls its movement. It changes how fast or slow it spins when you press it. To put it simply, this circuit board controls it. I watched a video on YouTube where they said if you clean the key's contact, it will just work and fit back in. That's not true. It won't work properly until the circuit board is replaced. Yes, I talked a lot. Sorry friends, smiling face with open mouth. Now we'll remove the key switch and replace it with a new one. Make sure to put it back exactly as it was. Pay close attention. Watch where each wire comes out or take a photo. Camera with flash so you don't make mistakes. Take a photo camera with flash. Or, if not, write it down on paper. Page facing up with a pen, ballpoint pen, writing hand hash. Also, remember, when placing it in another slot, be careful. Please be cautious. If you make a mistake, there's 220V high voltage sign there, which is very dangerous for your safety. Be careful, please. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, thumbs up sign. Appreciate our effort. Your support means a lot to us. Friends, to save your precious time, I've sped up the video a little. Fast forward. Here we apply some grease. It's important to add grease to the open parts. That way your work will be smoother and better.